dito ngayon sa Kaswagan Cemetery School. Ito po ngayon ang pinakagwapo. The beautifuler boy in the world. Silan. Agay. She is beautiful and guapa. Ito. Here. Oh. She is.
What do you think? You are beautiful. Oh.
Is. Advertisement. Is. Sampung.
Advertisement.
Sige, 1, 2, 3, go. Shoes. This is a brand new shoes that have by in okay. Made in USA and his owner is He is the owner. He is the owner.
Magic.
Sipo.
Kitan.
Yes. Anong balita ngayon? Anong problema mo sa pork barrel?
What is your report about the pork barrel?
What is your report?
My report is the pork barrel queen.
She is the beautiful boy and she is the abnormal. She is beautiful boy.
She is an oyut.
Si Bill man ang magiging nato.
Siya.
Hindi ba na? Mag-beatbox ko.
Game. Beatbox.
Magic.
Okay. Magic.
Magic, mawala ko. He is
Tikangkang.
Ay, mura ni gibot.
So everybody, I'm gonna act like the boys of Bane.
Hello, everybody. You motherfucking South Star.
No.
Okay, mura gibot. Ay, ipos.
Hello, this is Pat Freddy, yo.
So, I'm gonna stop this. After church.
She is abnormal.
I will think that is so beautiful.
He is abnormal.
So, this is such a beautiful spot. He's just a super boy with no parents.
Can you introduce yourself?
My favorite food is guitar. She is ano, Lady Aika.
Naludi ka.
Ay, pangit na po. Ayun, pipis kita lang. I live in North Korea.
Ah,